these bumpers are damaged. Like, I mean, there's non-repairable damage. So, might have to fix my old one. So all the bumpers I looked at, they have missing pins and all that stuff. I mean, they're better condition than mine, but mine says all the pins, so I might just glue the bumper back together. There is this one bumper in California that I want to buy. It's $600, but it's very beautiful, and I want it. I want it now. Like, look at this one. This one looks nice, right? I mean, not nice, but like good enough to use, but then all the little attachments and pins are broken. So yeah. Alright, we didn't find a bumper. So yeah. The plan is probably to fix my old one, where all those cracks are. Put adhesive and like this crap and then put it together. Or buy the one that I was looking at in California. It's gonna be right here. Okay, you saw it. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is attempt to fix this thing. We're gonna do epoxy and then this net and then put it together. And we're gonna paint the hood. Yeah. Got a few new packages that have arrived. I believe this is the front grille. We'll go ahead and pull it out. So we got the front grille, the logo holder, that. That should be good. Once that bumper gets fixed and we get it primed, sanded, painted, we're gonna mount this bad boy on. It's a RS4 style front grille with the honeycomb meshing, so I think it's gonna make the car look clean. I'm probably gonna leave no logos or anything on the front. Just have a simple design, and you can see the intercooler and stuff like that. It'll be pretty cool, gang.
I thought that I